I'm excited to perform this song now.
We are creating original lullabies. All the mothers can hum them or play these songs, and we've made them with a lot of love.
Glory is a concept that one is introduced when you're really small.
And we are going to the most exciting part now, because now is the time when I change for my performance.
Hi everyone, this is Arman Malik and welcome to Duroflex Sounds of Sleep Season 2.
आजा रे निंदिया रे आजा, आजा मेरी गोद में, चंदा और तारों को लेकर आजा मेरे पालने, सपनों की नैया में ले जा तू मुझको, पलकों में आ जा तू रे, निंदिया री तू तो सबको सुलाए, मुझको सुला जा तू रे.
Sounds of Sleep is a really cool concept. Loris is something that I associate with my mom, my grandmom. We have reimagined Loris.
I think lullabies are something that is passed from generation to generation. I remember in my childhood, my dad and my mom singing these beautiful loris.
तो सर आज हम लोग तेलुगु करने जा रहे हैं, तेलुगु लोरी. तो सर ने बड़ा अच्छा 2 लाइन लिखा है, अला सिलु कहे.
అలసిన కనులకు జోలాలి, అలసిన కనులకు జోలాలి, మోయిలను దించవి జోలాలి, పాన్పుగ పరచవి జోలాలి, కలలను పంచవి జోలాలి, కలలను పంచవి జోలాలి. పసిడి జాబిల్లి ఆగవే, నా తారకే బజ్జున్నదే, మిడిసి పడబోకే నీ పాను పని, జారకే ఓ జాబిలి.
Glory is a concept that one is introduced when you're really small, when you're an infant. Lyrics are sorted?
Sort of the beginning. So we just say R-R-O, R-R-O. Like in Hindi you have jinchak, jinchak.
Sulate hona.
बंगाली जब हम लोग बना रहे थे तो सबसे पहले ख्याल आया वहाँ का फोक. हर लैंग्वेज का, हर एरिया का अपना एक वो होता है ना, फील कह लीजिए उसको. तो वहाँ की चीज़ों को उन्होंने किस तरीके से लोरी के फॉर्म में लिरिकली अडॉप्ट किया.
How's this expression?
अच्छा है.
চোখে নামে ঘুম যখন, ঘড়ির কাঁটায় রাত নিঝুম, ইচ্ছে রঙের দোয়াতে লিখবে স্বপ্ন ডাক নতুন, তারাদের কথা কানে কানে, আবদারে রাখা মনের খাবে, আলতো ছোঁয়াতে ঘুমের নেশে, তন্দ্রা জড়ানো চোখে. আয় ঘুম, আয় ঘুম, আয় চুপি চুপি সারে.
Sounds of Sleep
Season 2.
Sleep is your
Superpower.